What are you cooking? And why are you building on base?
The support that Base is giving to its builders. I just casted the thing which I built, like farbu.id, and Jesse Pollock followed me and he directly supported me. That's the best feeling even a builder get, because if you are not getting enough recognition, you feel low, right? But when the community is there for you, like the Jesse itself supported me, that's the best feeling I have ever to build on this.
Cooking.
What's your unpopular opinion?
Yeah, one thing is maybe that right now I am having a full-time job at a company, but still I'm shipping like I don't have another job. So even if you like go to the workforce or something, in last month around May, I shipped a lot. Though I had a full-time job, I slept very late at night and like just did the building and shipped things. So that is one of the things that unpopular opinion that even sometimes people don't know that I have a full-time job.
Cooking. And by the end of Unchained Summer,
Yeah, by the end of launch in summer, I shipped farview.id. Like I already shipped it earlier, but now I launched its V2. I haven't casted it yet. We'll cast it today, but yeah, I submitted it for launch in summer and
cooking.
What does onchain summer mean for you?
getting more creators and builders building on base, because like base been there since I would say almost a year, but still it needs more traction. It needs more builders.
What infrastructure are you using?
Initially used Aztec most, but then I also shifted to Niner a bit, like to get few data, because Aztec still has some limitations.
Cooking.
What's your highest priority right now?
First is I need to launch it as soon as possible.
Cooking. What are your 3 top channels on Webcast that you follow?
Yeah, of course, first is the FBI, Cluster Builders India. Another is Base Builds. Third one is maybe a Frames Dev.
And who will you nominate to join us next?
I will nominate my friend Neil Patel, who is also building another full product, DJ Ask.
What's your favorite on-chain summer drink?
Virgin Mojito, because I don't drink alcohol. So.
Some people love water.
Yeah, water is also there, of course, but can be a cranberry juice.
I love it too. Cooking. How would you describe your development style in 3 words?
I would say fast, clean, and anything. I can build anything.
Cooking.
Are you up for a challenge?
Okay.
Okay. What card would you like me to open?
The middle one, blue.
Ding, 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 ding. Share with us one of your epic on-chain summer moments in Los Pomos.